quiet today. It's took like a Sunday, right? But today is Monday. Monday, Tuesday. Tuesday, right? So quiet. So quiet. No games, no anything. What happened to boys and girls? You gonna remodel or to renovate? Or maybe you Kuya Soldier, you walk together to Ate Patricia, right? Where? On Mountain View? Patricia is a manager, right?
Yeah.
Is a manager already? Oo. We go to the doctor. Tomorrow I have appointment. I need to wake up at early again. Today I wake up at early. I go to the clinic. I wait the 3 hours. Wow. I came at 10:30. I'm done on 2:30. 2:30 something, 2:45. 10:30, 11, 12, 1, 2. Oh my God, 4 hours already. Tomorrow I have appointment again to the doctor. Doctor, you are sick. I'm not sick. Pwede naman kita ibaba dito sa 7-Eleven. Lakad ka na lang doon, di ba? Tignan mo to, pumark na sa gitna, oh. Alang nga. Pero iikot na lang ako. Pag hindi mo ako makita rito, narito lang ako, yan, ha. Ito lang pupuntahan ko, yan, side na yan, ha. Okay? Because magla-live na rin ako, eh. Ha? Or either you gonna call me, much better.
Yeah.
Okay. The other side here, right? Is open that one? Hindi ko na nga.